I have another bag I would like to bring to you that I've purchased. I do a lot of traveling, and so I'm always looking for different bags that will meet whatever need I have. So this one is, I call it a book bag. I'm old, what can I say? This is a backpack, and this is a very nice backpack. Now, I have had this for a little while, and I've taken it on several trips, and I've drug it through airports and shoved it underneath a, flight seat or airplane seats, and I've tossed it in the car and been all over the place. But you'd never know. This sucker is looking just brand new. So one of the things that I don't like about this bag, it has too many pockets, and I can never remember where did I put that. So starting at the bottom, you have this little slant pocket, and it fits little things, that you might use like lip gloss or something like that. I know this bag isn't normally geared for a woman, but I like it. Up here is where my main information goes, main stuff. Now, the only thing I do not like about this bag is this next section here. This is my main section. This is where I keep my valuables, my passport, my money, everything I need. I wish that they would have made this like the double-sided zipper like this second section is. This is a double-sided zipper that comes down. I wish they would have made this section here a double-sided zipper so I could bring these up to the top and put a little lock on it. I can't, there's no way for me to lock that section with it, and I'm always afraid someone's gonna sneak up from behind and just really quickly open it up. So what I do is make sure that my zipper is down low and I have a keychain on it, and I make sure I tuck it in that these two mesh bags on the side. You got the mesh bag here, and you have another mesh bag over here. Now on the inside, or another pocket, this is where I carry my laptop. I have a larger laptop. It fits right in here. There's several pockets in here. Another one here, a couple another thing. And then you have this. Now this is kind of like your safety pocket. So this sits up against your back, and you're supposed to put your valuables in here. And then that way they're secure, nobody can get to them. If I don't need my passport anymore, then that's where I end up putting it. Or if I don't need my money, that's where I end up putting it when I am walking through the airport. It also has the strap here that I can put on my suitcase. I love these, the shoulder straps. One of the nice things about this bag is these shoulder straps do not slide. I've had other backpacks, and that's why I've gone to this one, is because I would put them on. Next thing you know, these straps would be sliding. And as you can see, they don't slide, which is great because I want it up high and I don't want to have it slowly but surely slide down. And every time I go to put it on my back, it's smaller. But you also have shoulder pads back here. These are all padded. These are padded. These are nicely padded to keep that weight off of you. And now this other thing, I don't use it that much, so I don't really talk much about it. And it is a USB port. You would put your charger in here, and then you would charge it from out here, put your phone and charge it in here. I don't really use it that much, so I don't think about it. But this is an awesome bag. Just so you see, this is an awesome backpack. I like it real well. I will continue to use it. Oh, and one of the other things that I like in here, let's see if I can find it. Oh, in here, you have your car keys. You always want to make sure that you attach your car keys, especially if you've parked at the airport and you're not going to need your car keys for 2 weeks. You want to make sure that you've got them tucked in there so you're not frantically looking for them like somebody else I know, myself. But this is a really nice backpack. I would say it is great for a woman, especially an older woman like myself, or a guy. This backpack works for anybody. This is one of the best things that I have purchased on Amazon for travel. Just my opinion.